Hello and welcome to the fourth leg of our grand tour of Finland. We left Kemijärvi. We waved goodbye to the snow and began driving south. The destination was Iso-Valkainen Lake on the outskirts of the town of Kuopio. We were not planning to stop anywhere en route, but then we spotted this and I had to make a U-turn as soon as it was safe. This art installation is called The Silent People, and we are on Highway 5 just outside of Suomussalmi. The Silent People was created by Reijo Kela. Reijo Kela is a dancer and choreographer. He was born in Suomussalmi in 1952. Kela uses dance and unscripted movement, locations and objects, and the audience to tell the story. The Silent People featured in his work in Mauri's ploughed field. The first performance of Mauri's ploughed field was in 1988 in the Lasilla field, Suomussalmi. Kela set the dance play in the field of an abandoned farm, near his childhood home. The main character Mauri has some elements of one of the old heroes of the Kalevala, Ilmarinen. Ilmarinen is the first farmer. He clears the forest and plants barley. And Kela's dance includes movements mimicking farm work. Kela dances, jumps and runs his way across the abandoned farm buildings and the field. At the beginning, the dance is full of joy and optimism. The sound of firing guns marks the first dramatic change. Kela's moves become guarded and focused. Kela's dance echoes the Finnish soldiers' fighting tactics. The first shots of the Finnish Winter War were fired in Suomussalmi on the 30th of November 1939. The Soviets had more soldiers, but the Finns had intimate knowledge of the landscape. The Finns defeated the Soviets. And some think that the Silent People are the ghosts of the people killed in the Winter War. The dance changes again to reflect people's growing worries with the economic situation. The economic crisis and changes in the government agrarian policies in the 1970s and advances in agricultural technologies led to high levels of unemployment in the region. Many people left for the towns or emigrated in search of work. Kela's original idea was to have unemployed people from the area standing in the field as the Silent People. Since that was not possible, Kela built figures made of wooden crosses. The local people helped with building and dressing the figures. The performance ends with a group of young men running past Kela. The men get in their cars and drive away, and Kela is left alone in the field. Some think that the Silent People are the people left behind in now ghost villages after the mass migration. The Silent People all face the road. Perhaps they watched as their family and friends left, or perhaps they are watching the road, waiting for their return. Kela has always refused to explain. He thinks that each one of us should decide for ourselves who the Silent People are and what they mean to us. Local people have continued to add to the silent people. They help maintain the installation, donate old clothes, and make new figures. We visited off-season and in the middle of the week, so the coffee shop and restaurant were closed. But I have put the link to the Nituka Villa, Coffee of the Silent People website in the description below, so that you can plan to visit when they're open. According to reviews, they make great pancakes. Access to the site is free of charge.
Continue on E63 for 8 kilometers.
We stayed at the Hotel Isovalkainen on Lake Isovalkainen. It is a lake to me, but the Finns call it a pond, and that tells you a lot about the average size of Finnish lakes. By the time we arrived, we were a bit tired, so I decided to take a hint from the traditions of Finland and went for a walk around the lake and the nearby forest. And while I do that, I can tell you a bit about the Hotel Isovalkainen. The hotel's sauna is a few steps away from the lake, so you can go for a swim and then go sauna, or go sauna first and then go for a swim, whichever way you prefer. And you can do it as many times as you wish. You can row a boat, go fishing for trout, and of course you can buy a fishing license from the hotel reception. The rooms are clean and comfortable, and they are all on the ground floor. There is also a restaurant on site, and 5 minutes around the corner there is a massive supermarket and shopping center with many fast food outlets, including Hesburger, the famous Finnish burger chain. Our next stop was Porvoo, on the Gulf of Finland. Thank you for watching. On this channel I publish videos in English, Italian and Bulgarian. Please see links at the end for my single language channels. Until next time, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, it helps a lot. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.